What an adventure was waiting for me when I traveled to Aseptic Solutions in Corona, California, where I watched the split-second process used to create Fruit of the Spirit. I was joined by Deanna Naylor. She's the Vice President and Marketing Director for the company. Before entering the facility, we were given unflattering hats to wear in order to keep the area pristine and free from contamination. We felt rather small gazing at giant drums holding thousands of gallons of the ingredients that make up Fruit of the Spirit. This product is actually flash frozen in only 3 seconds. This fact cannot be overemphasized because that 3-second process guarantees the full strength of the antioxidants and minerals contained in the powerful ingredients that make up Fruit of the Spirit. Thousands of bottles were quickly filled, labeled, and prepared for shipment. I personally checked one bottle as it rolled past, and I can verify that it was extremely cold to the touch. In just a matter of minutes, the product was boxed and on its way to the thousands who now benefit from the energizing ingredients contained therein. So we left thankful for one more great learning experience and confident that just as we thought, Fruit of the Spirit is excellent in every way. It's superior, the very best of the very best.